Okay guys, in the previous videos we explored the Shopify theme templates, and now let's explore the Shopify theme layout. In the documentation we can see that layouts are the base of theme through which all templates are rendered. Okay, further down in the documentation we can see that the default layout file which must be included in all themes is theme.liquid. We can say that the theme.liquid is the default layout file in all the themes. Okay, let's go to the layout folder, and here we can see the theme.liquid. Here we can see the head tag, and here we have the body tag. Okay, we can also see that the header group sections and the footer group sections. In the previous videos, we explored that the header and the footer remain same on all the pages. So we can see that the content which remains same on all the pages, we can write here in the theme.liquid. Okay, so the content for header uh, will be changed on every page depending upon the template used. So we can see the content for layout will be changed depending upon the template being used on that page. Okay, let's see the content for header in the documentation. Okay, here we can see in the documentation that the content for header dynamically returns the content based upon the current template. If we are on the home page, the current template will be index.json, and we will be able to see these sections. And if we are on the product page, we can see the templates. In the product template, we will be able to see these sections. So we can say that the content for layout will be different for every template. Okay, so other than this line, every single line of this layout will be present on every single page. Let's try. If we write some custom HTML right here, for example, if we write some heading right here in this layout, we will be able to see this heading across all the pages. Okay, let's see. Custom heading. Okay, now let's refresh the page on the front end. Here we can see custom heading is present on the home page, and if we go to collection page, we can see custom heading is also present right here. And if we go to the cart page, this will be also present right here. Okay, so we can see the content that is used all across the website, all across the theme, can be placed right here in the layout file. Okay, so we can see, let's see the documentation of JSON templates. Okay, they also have a layout property. They can select their layouts. We can select the layout of a template right from their schema. Okay, by default this layout is set to theme.liquid. But if we want some other layout, let's create some other layout. Okay, so let's create a new layout. Let's duplicate theme.liquid, and file name should be theme.custom.liquid. Okay, now in this layout, let's add some other content. Under the custom heading, let's add theme custom liquid. Okay, let's save, and we will be using this layout for the index page. We saw that we can select the layout for a template in the JSON template. Okay, let's see in the index.json, add a layout property right here. Okay, let's see. We have for the index template, we have selected the layout as theme.custom, and let's save, and let's go to home page. Okay, let's refresh the cart page, and we can see cart page has custom heading. This is coming from the default layout, but when we go to the home page, we can see theme custom liquid. This is coming from the custom layout. So we can see that we can create the custom layouts for each template. I hope this helps. In the next videos, we will be creating our local dev environment, and we will get our hands dirty with the actual coding stuff. See you there.